Hey everyone, welcome back to the TransTec channel. Today we're taking a behind-the-scenes look at one of the most critical components in a transmission rebuild, the bonded piston. And who better to talk us through it than Roger Barnett from TransTec. Roger, thanks for joining us. You know, what sets these pistons apart from other options on the market?
The biggest difference? It's all done right here in the US, Bristol, New Hampshire. The tooling, the production, the proprietary rubber compounds, even the case treatment. It's all in-house. This means complete control over the process, no reliance on third-party or overseas production.
So can you tell us more about the production process?
Sure, our rubber molding facility is state-of-the-art. We actually use the same production lines as OE. Our process ensures strict standards for fit, form, and function.
All right, so I imagine that quality control must be a top priority. So how do you ensure that the pistons meet your high standards?
We do this in a number of ways. Our motto is OE or better, which means we have the freedom to reverse engineer the pistons and improve on the OE design. Before any product goes into production, we perform test fits, cycle checks for the PPAP samples. After production, we conduct cycle testing for at least 500,000 cycles to ensure durability and performance. Our team of engineers is dedicated to rebuilding it right the first time.
That's very thorough, but something we've often heard is that pistons can be reused. So is this true? And if not, why would you say it's important to change a piston every time?
Changing a piston every time is crucial to avoid comebacks. If you don't, you might end up having to rebuild other components, like your clutches, which can cost you extra time and money. Getting it right the first time saves a lot of hassle and money.
Very good. So it's not just about quality, but it's also about confidence in the rebuild. So what about the range of applications for these pistons?
We have pistons available for a wide range of applications. We're constantly developing new ones to meet the evolving needs of the industry.
Well, it sounds like TransTec is committed to quality and innovation. Are there any final thoughts?
Absolutely. Trust TransTec for American-made quality and innovation. Rebuild it right the first time.